Okay, this is Mike Dobbins right here in Arby's on Everett Press of Memphis, Tennessee. The line is all the way to the back. One checker says stand in line. Yes, ma'am. That's what. One checker, they act like we owe them something. Is there anybody in the store that owe this store anything? Speak up.
Thank you. Thank you.
So I do what I gotta do, go on to the back. If I want to get my juice. That's what you do. You do it. That's the way you do it. Trying to work my way to the front. All right, all right.
Either one of those. Yep, that's what you can use. This one is $169.
So you want to wear that line in too, huh?
No, I'm just waiting to get behind him. I know it's split up.
Okay.
Wait a minute, some more people trying to get back.
Excuse me.
You trying to get this line?
Still waiting, still waiting, still waiting.
One over there.
Well, they're trying to open up another lane.
Get your money in your card.
Okay. Hey, this is Tuesday morning. I believe it's the 9th September. A weekend and a half from my birthday. But this morning, old school cornbread, tongue rings, candy yams, and neck bones baking in the oven. How about that? This is Mike in the kitchen.
All right, y'all, I'm in the mood for cleaning up, but before I get started, let me just share with you something that I have been using that was sent to me by Nature's Dome. It is this bottle of eco-friendly pest control spray. Bugs don't stand a chance with this eco-friendly spray, and the best part, it's safe around kids and pets. This ready-to-use spray is powered by natural essential oils, so it's tough on ants, roaches, spiders, and flies, but gentle on your family and your home. You can use it indoors and outdoors. I've been using this in my kitchen and on my patio. It works fast and leaves a fresh, clean scent without that harsh chemical smell. I love that it's eco-friendly, safe for kids and pets, and perfect for green-minded families who don't want harmful chemicals in their space. So if you're looking for a natural, safe way to keep bugs away, this is a must-have. Grab yours today. Now let me get back to cleaning my space. And y'all may recall me getting this Sunkey mop system from Amazon. Well, it was actually sent by Sunkey to me to try out, and y'all, I have been using it ever since. It came with 5 replacement head refills and 1 cleaning brush. So I am actually swapping out one of the replacement heads now and mopping today. So that is what I am up to right now. Cleaning, girl. I'm cleaning my space.
Sunrise paints the sky with shades of gold. Coffee cup in hand, stories yet untold. The same old streets, but I'm feeling new. Walking through the rhythm of a life I knew. Sometimes it's heavy, sometimes it's light, but I keep on moving through the dark and bright. It's just another day in my life, trying to find the love, trying to find the light. With every breath, every step I take, I'm learning more about the dreams I made. Oh, it's just another day, but I'm grateful anyway. Faces pass like rivers.
Hey y'all, check this out. This little gadget that was sent to me from Wakdada. If you've ever stepped into the shower and noticed the water rising around your feet, this little gadget is the fix. The Wakdada hair catcher is made with stainless steel and silicone, so it stays in place, drains fast, and catches hair before it clogs your pipes. Just place it over your flat drain, and when it's time to clean, flip it over and the hair comes right out. No messy hands. I love that it doesn't slide around thanks to the anti-slip design. And it won't rust, even with daily use in the bathroom. If you're ready, hey, get ready for easier cleanups and clog-free drains. Just grab this Wakdada hair catcher and you can thank me later.
But I'm grateful anyway. No fame, no fortune, just the simple things, like the song my heart quietly sings. In the ordinary, I find my grace. Just another day.